Chlorine is famous for killing bacteria, but if you were bacteria and ran into frog minerals, you'd drop dead. Frog's patented mineral technology contains proven bacteria killers. The minerals attack bacteria from the outside, then go inside and finish off the destruction. And when Frog's fresh minerals are combined with chlorine, they work together to kill bacteria 2 ways. It's total obliteration. That means, with Frog at Ease, you use up to 75% less chlorine. Less chlorine means water is easier on skin, hair, and swimsuits, and protects surfaces. Everyone is happy. Now you know about fresh mineral water, and you know that less chlorine is only possible with Frog's fresh minerals.